shall not want. Yet though I walk through the valley of death, I'll fear no evil, for you're with me. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. Yet though I walk through the valley of death, the Lord's my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in pastures green. He leads me beside the still waters. The Lord's my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me beside the still waters. The Lord's my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. I shall not want. I shall not want. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. love